safe and help us.
Brother, I don't love this bridge, but right now we just lost a man and got a man down. Sorry, you're on your own.
Through this park.
Get that zombie!
This one.
Up these stairs. Through this door.
They stripped the shit out of that thing!
I'm down! Got it.
Could you move your legs?
It's all good.
Nick, I know you shot me.
We're the four riders of goddamn apocalypse.
Up right now.
Reloading.
Here, you can have this.
Here you go.
I owe you one.
Let's go through here.
Alice, honey, you should use that first.
Let's all get up there.
Oh, Lord, not another smoke.
Reloading!
Guess we go this way. Don't shoot that car.
Get your ass across the walkway.
We need to get into the building.
Over here. Up the stairs. Behind this bus.
Reloading.
Thanks.
Safe room back here.
Don't make me come out there for you. Awesome! Up these stairs.
Hey, look
Go
out.
in the window. Take inbound. Second pistol.
Everyone get in there.
I hear a boomer. Let's open this up.
Go upstairs.
Over this plank.
Way to go.
Bills.
Come on, guys.
Watch out, that horse.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Not sure why. I thought this was rides at least.
Tour's over.
All right, that's better.
Let's get off these stairs. What are we waiting for? Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it. Hit it.
Look at this.
Everybody up.
First aid. Hold up, gonna heal. You're getting the hang of this, Ellis. Let's get. I hit it. This was going to be their goddamn tour? Keep moving. Go.
Reloading.
Gotta get up on the catwalks. A ladder. Oh, Christ, you gotta be kidding me. Look at you. You ready? Come on. Let's roll. Come on. Let's go. Keep moving. Ladder.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Let's roll. And that is how you do it. Hunter!
Gotta reload!
Safe room! Gonna heal. I'm starting to like you guys. Let's roll. What are we waiting for? Let's go. God damn it! Kiss my ass! Stick that where the sun don't shine. Thanks for telling us about the goddamn sewer.
Which? Oh, sorry. Got confused by all your crying.
Man, he got you, Nick. It's like he's known you forever.
You know what? Screw both of you. Okay? So what are we doing?
Right over to the elevator. Sock your way down to the generator. Fill it up with your tears, and we'll take care of the rest.
Come on, I'm in a hurry.
Right behind you.
I'm here.
Yeah, let's go.
The minute we get down there, I am shooting that biker.
Yeah, let's do it.
Pouring it in.
Look out!
Here you go.
Boomer!
Here you go.
I got it. We got a charger. Almost out of here. Guns here.
Got it.
Got it. Why doesn't anything have enough gas in it?
I'm reloading.
One more in the jetty.
Adrenaline shot. I got a can.
You can have it.
Time to move. Charger.
Take here! You're gonna need this! Put it behind you. You good? You good? Whoa!
Reloading.
Gotta reload!
That was... I got
Good shot.
Behind you.
it. Another one in.
This hurts.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Reloading. Reloading.
Oh, they knocked the piss out of me.
Here, you're gonna need this. Reloading.
Nice shot. Good job. Why doesn't anything have enough gas in it?
Charger!
We got a reloading here.
Reloading.
Reload.
Okay, going on.
Why we got guns? We still need 5 more.
Hey, watch out!
Oh, shit. Watch out.
I got a can.
Reloading!
Reloading. Reloading.
I'm a reload.
Ammo here. Pouring it in.
Hey, look out!
I got a can. Jockey, help, help!
Who that?
Ammo here. Another one in.
Reloading.
3 more.
Reloading!
I got it.
Watch out.
Impressive. Ammo here. Almost out of here. Just 2 more.
Reloading! Hey, nice shot, Zoe!
Let's go.
Look at you. What are we?
I got it.
Yeah, movie. Go with the double pistol.
Hey,
We
watch
got
out!
Duke coming.
Look out.
Watch out. Heads up.
One more can to go.
Reload.
Thanks. Bitch! Hurry
Boys, get yourself ready, man. We got tanks coming.
Jockey! Fill in the generator.
Nice shot.
Let's roll. What are we waiting? Let's go. Move.
Reloading.
Pipe bomb! May not be pretty, but we're doing this.